Hey guys, it's me Louise, and I have a funny angle here, but I wanted to show you guys how to spatchcock a chicken. So basically, spatchcocking a chicken just means cutting out the backbone and opening it up to roast. It'll cook quicker and more evenly that way. So to spatchcock a chicken, I am using these. They're our kitchen shears. What I like about them is they come apart for easy cleanup so that you can get all the chicken and stuff out from these. Clean it really good. So to wash or not to wash is the question. The answer, do not wash. There's no need to wash your chicken. I don't know why people do it, but you're going to be cooking your chicken, so anything that is on it is going to be cooked off anyway. If you wash your chicken in the sink, it's just splattering and contaminating around your sink area, and it's more likely to spread salmonella that way than if you just not wash and cook your chicken. All right, so I'm going to stand up now and we're going to begin. So I have my chicken here and I've just got him on a paper towel drying. I'm going to roll him over and grab my shears, and you're just going to cut down the side. So I'm just going to hold his little tail area, as you can see, cutting out the backbone all the way through the neck. There we go. And then I'm just going to go on the other side. Don't chop your fingers off. There we go. Down the side of his bone. Ta-da! And there we have his backbone cut out. As you can see, it's right here. Kind of gross. And then I'm just going to cut this chunk of fat off. You never know with the chicken what you're going to get. So I'm just going to cut that chunk of fat off. And then all you do is put it on your cutting board like this. And you're going to press down like that. You can also do it this way to kind of break the ribs a little bit. You can tuck your wings under. And then I'm going to put it on my baking sheet, my large metal baking sheet, and I'm going to roast it in the oven. But before I do that, I have made this delicious, it's called Peruvian chicken, and it's going to be, this right here is a mixture. I will post the recipe below so that you can see that, but I'm just going to rub all of this all over. It's garlic, paprika, oregano, and cumin, and some oil, and some fresh lime juice. I'm going to rub this all over the bird, and then I will put it in my oven, ready to bake. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.